So, I am currently in Daylight in the All Projects section. I click on one of the projects related to marketing, and it shows me the details and people associated with the project, all the past activities associated with the project, tasks and pipelines, etc. So that tasks can be delegated to them. And I can add files, notes, appointments, tasks, etc., and link to a particular project. But let's say you want to build a media-rich customer knowledge base, or wiki page of future and current potential clients, having a multimedia documentation-like facility, where people can collaborate seamlessly, without switching to other programs. That facility is not available in Daylight. You can only take some notes and associate them with projects, but it's a very primitive feature in Daylight. Also, building and entering data about a new person, company or project takes ages, since you have to manually add so many parameters. The only automation available is importing CSV data. To solve the documentation and customer knowledge database management issues, and make data entry and management faster, we introduce you Litebreeze. You install Litebreeze plugin, like Zapier plugin tool, as follows. Create an account with us with your email, and give us some info about your company, to provide you personalized data template and automation tool. In the next step, our iOS app detects Daylight in your MacBook, and automatically connects and fetches projects. Next, you can select a customer knowledge data template, and start building up your documentation wiki, which can be linked with Daylight projects, people, and companies. You can either open the documentation folder of Litebreeze, and link it to Daylight. Or when you open a particular project in Daylight, the plugin opens the associated documentation automatically as seen here. I can link person, project, company and opportunity, which I have to associate with the project, within this document without needing to go to Daylight. Let's say I want to add some tasks linked to OB3 marketing plan documentation. For doing this, I don't need to go to Daylight in the marketing plan project and create a new task. This can be done directly in Litebreeze, under quick action commands. Create new tasks, notes, appointments and number of other actions. There is an integrated browser functionality that is used for parsing data, and also to build future customer knowledge wiki. I can copy a page's content and paste it to Litebreeze doc, without switching tabs. And slowly, with help of internal browser functionality, I can make media-rich collaborative documentation that can be linked to people, projects, company inside Daylight. All the members of the team associated with the project can view the document, start discussions, put the table, link Miro boards, put screenshots, and delegate certain tasks, without the need of going to the Daylight. And in this way, you can make a media-rich client knowledge wiki, or make documentation about project plans and progress. It's also great for making process guidance docs. I can add collaborators to the document, and invite them directly via page link. I can quickly share the knowledge document with a click, and also create an embedded document link that can be posted on any website, as information or blog post. As we mentioned how click-intensive is to create new clients, companies, or new opportunity contacts, because you have to mention everything entering manually. But with Litebreeze and minimum clicks, you can create new or potential client records. Simply go to the Litebreeze browser and visit the web page, with potential client information, and on right-click, select New Person. The auto data entry picks up the information step by step, while the smart data entry tries to capture all client details automatically. Let's look first at the auto data entry. After clicking auto data entry, the system prompts you to select pieces of contact data and associate them with corresponding options. Here we select the name of the person and click on the corresponding option. As you can see, the data is directly transferred on the link option in the right side menu. And in this way, step by step, without copy-pasting, I can add all information of the new client. Now let's add the address, which is empty at the moment. After selecting the address, I click on the address option, and that data is fetched automatically. So now we have all information about the person. We click on Add, and all data about the new client is transferred and linked into Daylight, within the stipulated project. Now that the new client is added to Daylight, I can create some follow-up tasks, or try scheduling appointments with them. In another example, in the Litebreeze browser, I'm looking for potential leads to provide IT services. I can fetch their information by copying it and transferring it to another document related to IT services within Litebreeze without switching tabs. And invite other project members to comment and have discussions around the client lead research. The interesting functionality of Litebreeze is that it's always working in the background with daylight. So if it sees that you have opened a particular document in Litebreeze, having linked customer information, and when you switch your tab to daylight, it automatically opens that person's page or project's page in daylight. And then, you can take some actions on that particular lead in daylight. Litebreeze is smart and always shows contextual data from daylight to improve productivity. In the next example, we can add company information and details into daylight using the same functionality. Here in the Litebreeze browser, I am at the Crunchbase website where I found a potential lead. I can select the info and then select a new company from the options. And then select Auto Data Entry. As you can see, the name and image of the company are added to the right side links section. But let's say I want to add other information about the company from some other website like LinkedIn. I can simply switch the tab to LinkedIn, which has the company information. I just want to add the information area at the moment. I select part of the info area, right-click, and add it as details. And as you can see, the information is added to the right side section. Now that I have all information about the company, I can just click on Add, and all contact information about the company is added into daylight, as seen here. In the next example, let's say I want to host an open AI event in Munich. And I want to invite all the startups to this event, in particular area of Munich. I can go to Google Maps and search for AI startups in Munich. For sending the invites, I want to put the startup contact details in daylight. I can just right-click on the company information, and then select Smart Data Entry. The Smart Data Entry parses all info in one click, and then I can add that contact info into daylight, without any manual entry. Let's go back home, and look at the email template feature of Litebreeze. The features of the Daylight CRM mail client allow you to just only send plain text emails to clients and customers. But nowadays, personalized media-rich emails have high conversion rates as compared to normal plain text emails. For this reason, you can use Litebreeze to create personalized media-rich emails and transfer them to Daylight CRM as mail templates. Let's look at one example. In the email template section, I have created several media-rich email templates for clients having different needs. Let's click on one such template. As you can see, I have added tables, text and images into this template. To make the email personalized, even to a mass audience, I can use the merge keys functionality and select some prefixes. Now when you send this mail to multiple contacts of Daylight, their personalized names and other info will be automatically added and will be sent to them. So when you open the letter template window in Daylight, you can see that our newly created media-rich template from Litebreeze is also saved here. I can preview the template in Daylight and make minor changes before sending it to customers and clients. Next, in the Daylight CRM, I can select multiple contacts to whom I will be sending this email. And from the Edit menu, I can select Write a letter in Daylight. Here, in the Merge a Letter option, I have selected the newly created mail template, edit the subject line and click on Merge. Here, you can see in the right side email client window that the mail is now ready to be sent to the selected audience, which is personalized. So, these were some of the core features, which were presented here in the demo. There is a number of other automation and documentation features that Litebreeze provides to make your Daylight CRM task faster and more efficient. To know all the features possible to be integrated in your workflow, please get in touch with us. Thank you.